Welcome to WMUL-FM training. I'm Mike Stanley. This is the 17th video in our series on Rivendell Radio Automation. This video will cover how to save changes to the log that you have made in RD AirPlay and how to refresh the log in RD AirPlay when you make changes in RD Log Edit. First, we will talk about saving the log in RD AirPlay. When you make changes to the log in RD AirPlay, those changes are not automatically saved. If you unload the log or close out RD AirPlay, those changes will be discarded. This is a news log. I'm going to add an additional 30-second spot to the first break. It is currently a 60-second break, and I'm going to make it a 90. If I unload the log and then reload it, you can see that the break is back to 60 seconds. If I want the changes to be saved, I have to manually save the log. I will re-add the extra 30-second spot. Now I'll click Select Log and then Save. Now the changes have been saved. If I unload the log and then reload it, you can see that the break is still 90 seconds. You may also use the Save As button to save the log with the new name. In this next segment, we will cover refreshing the log in Auto Refresh. If I have a log loaded in RD AirPlay and then make changes to that same log in RD Log Edit, those changes are not automatically loaded. I will change this break from 3 30-second spots to a 60-second spot followed by a 30-second spot and then save the log. Now I will click over to RD AirPlay. As you can see, RD AirPlay still shows the 3 30-second spots. To load the changes, I will click the refresh button. You will notice that the text of the button is black, indicating that there are changes ready to be refreshed. Now you can see the 60-second spot followed by the 30-second spot. You can also see that the refresh button is grayed out, indicating that there are no changes to be refreshed. You can also enable Auto Refresh when you edit the log. Auto Refresh does exactly what it says on the tin. When I save a change to the log in RD Log Edit, then the log is automatically refreshed in RD AirPlay. You can see now I have enabled Auto Refresh on this log. I will add another 30-second spot to the first break and save it. Now when I click over to RD AirPlay, the change has automatically been loaded. Music logs have auto refresh turned on by default. For non-music logs, the author of the log will decide whether to turn it on or not. That concludes our video on how to save changes to the log that you have made in RD AirPlay, how to refresh the log in RD AirPlay when you make changes in RD Log Edit, and how to enable auto refresh in RD Log Edit. Our next video covers managing the library in RD Library. Thanks for watching.